Are you a new YouTuber and you've been struggling to get viewers and subscribers? Then do this I'm about to tell you, and your channel started having viewers. All right. So now on your YouTube app, click on YouTube. Now go to search bar, search for Luna Plus US. All right, Luna Plus US. Once that is open, then look for the one that has 6.5 million views. All right, so click on it, click on collab, then it will bring you on this interface. Make sure you click on 60 seconds because that is what we'll have. Then drag this one to the ending. Drag it to the ending. Now press next and allow it to load. All right, it's loading, it's processing. All right, so once it's done, it will bring you in this interface. Make sure your microphone is mute. All right, so make sure your microphone is mute for doing this. Then start recording. You can react to it, you can laugh, you can do whatever. Okay, so now it's processing. So let's allow it to finish recording. All right, so once you are done with this and post your video will blow. You will not believe it. You will come back and give test. Make sure you come back and give me testimony. Make sure you come back and tell me how it goes. Once you post it, and make sure you engage on people's posts, just leave it. The way your channel will do it 1 or 2 or 3 times, your channel will pick up. Okay? Yes. So you see, recording. So now it's done recording. You click on next. You click on this plus sign. This place the mark. We'll click on it. Now click on next. Then allow it to process. Okay. Allow it to process. So once it's done, then you go and put your title. Okay. You put your title. Okay, let me all put subscribe if you love your siblings. Okay, this is what I want to put for the tutorial, to just do tutorial. All right, to just teach you how to do it. So what subscribe if you love your siblings. Now you go to your hashtag, you put YouTube short duet. Make sure you put duet because the person that has this video that you want to collab with, then you put Minecraft. Make sure you put what the person put on your own. Put Minecraft, then put your shorts. Make sure you put duets because you're duetting the video, right? Make sure you put duets. Now you're done with this one. Go to your post to put a catchy cover photo, so that look for where you laugh, where you smile, or where you do any reaction. All right, so let me just put this one. Now you go to where you see alter content. All right, just click on alter content. Make sure you put it on no. So now we are done with everything. I'm checking. Then you put for this one. No, it's not meant for kids. So now upload your video. As you can see, the video is already uploading, and that is all. If you find this video helpful, try to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and share this video because so many people, so many new YouTubers have been stuck one place. Okay, so make sure you send this video to them so that they will benefit from it. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.